Hello, good morning. My name is Alexander, and today is the 14th of October 2022. Um, this is my chart breakdown for today. Okay, a little recap from Wednesday. We had this market around here where I said if I saw a bullish push, a bullish close would go up. If not, we might see this market come back down to this level. You see it here and push back up. Yesterday, we see the inflation rate coming out and we see that spike down and another bullish close above. I said we were going to potentially see the weak feel of the weekly candle. We see that happening. Before then, the market was in consolidation. As of now, we want to see how this market will do when it gets to this level. It might just keep pushing to this level, then come back down. But for now, we are now in a bullish retracement, a confirmed bullish retracement as of now. Remember, I had this counter trend line here where I said it's going to be a very steep retracement. We can see that retracement has begun, so would keep getting bounce from this trend line here. We might keep getting bounces from it as the market keeps going higher. So as of now, we want to see how the market will fare when it gets here. It might hit here and come back down, or hit here and break through. So that's that. AUD USD, almost the same thing. I said I was going to take a buy if I see a bullish close around here. This market was painting. I see that spike and close back in. I got into some kind of, okay, it was here. I saw that push, but close back in. I saw the market coming back into this level and I took it buy. I closed because I saw this level failing to break. And the CPI came out yesterday and held this level. Now I want to see if this level here breaks. If it breaks, then the next point we are going to be looking out for will be this resistance here. So the market has a long way to go. Once this level breaks, this point looks like the next level. Let's see how it looks on the daily. Yes. Looking at it on the weekly, you see a lot of sellers exhaustion and the weekly level looks to be holding. So the next point is this point. Is this point here. So this whole zone here, we might see the market coming into that zone there. This whole zone here. So we might see the market coming into this whole zone here if it breaks here. If not, we'll see it give some type of higher low for a continuation to the upside. USD CHF, the market was around here where I said if we saw this level, if we see this level holding, that means this point becomes a new higher low for a push to the upside. We got that. CPI also came out 8.2% for the inflation and 6.3% for core inflation. We see it push up. Now we might see it break this point, this counter trend line, and resume that down push and confirm that down push to this point here. So speaking about that, as the inflation came out, there is a higher chance of the Federal Reserve increasing their the interest rate, since inflation came out higher than expected. There's a high chance that the Feds are going to increase the rates, hike rates by 75 base points, and maybe also by 75 base points in their December minutes. So we might get a rate hike of around 150 base points by January. So it means they want to take out all the money in circulation. So it might drop the US economy a little bit further downwards. Crypto, this whole level held. Let me switch to the daily. On the crypto side of things, I said we would like to see what the market will do here. If we see a bullish close back into this level, it means we are bullish. We see that spike, then we see that bullish close. This is some type of bullish signal for us to take. The counter trend line still holds, the higher low still holds. Bullish push, we might get that bullish push now. There is a high probability that this level will break, and this level here will break also. There's a high chance of this level break. Let me delete this. And there's a high chance of these levels to get taken out. So once we get that break and retests, then would resume that push to the upside. Get that push to the upside. All right. ETH, the same thing. Go save ETH. I don't remove it, Papa. Still stuck in the consolidation, but we get that spike and close. It's still the same thing. So whatever happens on the BTC side, just almost mirror it to the ETH side. Wait for a break, a confirmed break, retest, and a push back up for a continuation to the upside. So that is all for my chart breakdown today, this week. Thank you guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this, and I'll see you guys next week. Take care. God bless.